Hey everyone, how's it going? Right, another video, as always. This is my brother's PC. It's not the best PC by any means. It's a Ryzen 1600 GTX 770, 16 gigs of RAM, NZXT S340, 250 gig Western Digital SSD, and there's a 1 terabyte Seagate drive down there somewhere. So yeah, it's not a terrible PC, but it could do with an upgrade, and that's the motherboard. This is actually my old motherboard before I got the Aorus X570 Ultra, which is in there now. So yeah, I decided as this was just lying around, my brother may as well have it. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything with this unless sell it, but yeah, when it's there, he may as well just have it. And yeah, he actually gets RGB headers now. So yeah, so what else I'm going to do is I'm going to throw an RGB fan in for him as well. This is a deep core one. It's only a 120mm, I think this is. Come to think of it, it does definitely need cleaning. I literally cleaned this out last month, but it's filthy. Look at that CPU cooler. Yeah, the CPU cooler definitely needs cleaning. Look at the state of it. That is horrible. Yuck. It does feel on the front, so it shouldn't be this bad, but it seems not to be doing anything. So yeah, let's give it a clean as well. Get my trusty Be Quiet screwdriver. Came with my my Dark Rock 4 actually. Pretty good screwdriver. I hardly use my multi-bit set anymore. This driver just pretty much has everything you need, apart from little Torx screws and smaller screws. So right, when you're unplugging a motherboard, obviously you're going to need to take everything out, so including all the SATAs and everything like that. So you just take them out. USB 3, just take that out. I think that's front panel audio. If I just get the case, there you go, just wiggle it all out. And yeah, you just take everything out. It's best to take the CPU out once you've got the motherboard out, because it's just easier and the CPU doesn't fall everywhere. So yeah, we've already got that out. 4-pin and the 24-pin now. And there we go, all the cables are actually now removed, so I can go ahead and take the motherboard out. This motherboard's a pretty small one, so there's only, I think there's only 4 screws, maybe 6. No, there's only 4 screws. That makes it even easier then. Right, I've now got the cooler off, and the thermal paste application wasn't great. That was a pre-applied, but most of it did come off on the cooler though, to be fair. It was pretty hard to get off. It was almost glued down, but yeah, look at this dust. It's not great. Not great at all. Yeah, it's all over the place. So this is his 1600X. You can't really see it now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get this cleaned up and get it straight into there, and I'm going to pretty much take this apart and clean it because it is filthy. And yeah, this motherboard's probably gonna go to, Christ knows where this motherboard's gonna go. So yeah, I'll just put it back in the box, clean it up a bit, put it back in the box, and we'll go from there. Right, now to install the thermal paste, you've got to have thermal paste if your cooler doesn't come pre-applied. That came pre-applied, but obviously we've wiped that off. So what you do is, it's usually just a pea size like that, and I'll just add a bit more. With thermal paste, as long as you don't gloop loads over, you're okay. More is better really, especially if it's non-conductive like this Arctic MX4. If you need some of this, I will post in the description below. But yeah, you can find this on Amazon. This is I don't know how much this is, should say 8 grams worth, and it was about £9, something like that. I'll put the price down in the description, but yeah, get some if you don't have some. It's always good to have. Right, now we've got the motherboard installed in all its glory. We've got a lot of cables to move around and an RGB fan to put in as well. I'm going to put that there, so that's going to light it really nicely, and we've got RGB headers, we can put it in there. So everything's falling into place now, and yeah, it shouldn't take too long now. Got to put the front panel back on. Only one fan up front, we don't need a lot, it's just more noise if anything. So yeah, and there we go, it's all put back together. I just hope it posts first time. I won't be showing that because it's all in my brother's room, and he would want to get to it. Just a tiny bit more that we need to polish up and everything like that. But yeah, it's all done. The cable management's not the best, but it's certainly a lot better than what it was. So yeah, there's no real problems there. It looks a lot spacier. It just looks better. It looks like it's more filled in, and more of the parts have a purpose in there. So yeah, that's all fitted there. It's got an RGB fan out of it as well. That's all linked up to Aorus X. So just installing a few drivers and stuff like that. No need to reinstall Windows, as it's not really that much of a power user, and is not as advanced as what I would use a PC for. But yeah, this is the end of the video. So if you liked it, like it. Follow my socials, so that's my Twitch, Twitter and Instagram down in the description below, and have a good day.